Hi, if you are watching this particular screencast, it's because you're sitting in the Remind Code and Portfolio Creation station. I'm going to give you a step-by-step direction for creating a digital portfolio that you will be placing all of your documents and things into as the year progresses. If you are a sixth grader, you will be following these directions up until a certain point, and then your tutorial will stop. If you are an eighth grader, then you have a little bit more work to do in getting things kind of neatened up. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I don't know if you can see this, it's partially cut off, but there's a new button here. I'm in Drive and I'm obviously signed in. I'm doing this on a desktop, so yours might look a little different, but you want to either sign into your Google account and then go to Drive, or if you're using an iPad, hit the Drive app and sign in. We want to create a new folder. There, got it kind of widened up a little bit. And we want to title the folder Digital Portfolio, and then hit Create. So it is working to create that folder. It's going to show you where it is. I would like you to click on Digital Portfolio. And then once you've created the digital portfolio, if you were a sixth grader, you will be doing the same thing as our eighth graders. Eighth graders, if you have anything in your Drive from perhaps something that you did when you were a sixth grader, not sure that you do, but we're going to be creating a folder, so new folder. So my sixth graders, you're going to be typing in sixth grade and hitting create. And then that folder, and you'll notice that I'm in my Drive in the digital portfolio, and now there's another folder located within that portfolio. So next, sixth graders, you're done at this point and you can sign out. My eighth graders, you're going to be creating, if you didn't have anything from sixth grade, then you've just been kind of sitting here waiting for me. New folder, and then you're going to be creating a seventh grade folder, hitting create. Now we haven't done anything for eighth grade yet, so at this point I want you to pause the screencast and I would like for you to move documents from your Drive into this seventh grade folder. So you do that by clicking on the document and a drop down arrow will appear. So if you were in my Drive, not sure what I have in here. My Drive is a big fat mess because I've got a bunch of stuff here, but well, let's say I click on this. I would right click on it and then I have the option to move to, and then if I click the move to, it will give me a set of directions. You're going to be looking for that digital portfolio folder to appear, and then you want to put it in your seventh grade folder. So you would hit move and it would move it into that. Okay, so we want to have you, and now I've lost my digital portfolio. Here we go, here. You would then also create a new folder for eighth grade. And anything that you do from this year will be placed in that. So you have kind of a chronological, kind of a layers of particularly seventh and eighth grade. All kinds of things are going to go into this. Digital projects, of course, your Word documents and things that you're working on for Writing Coach. Anything like that, projects, and really across classes. I mean, if we wanted to, we could actually go into your seventh grade folder and create a folder for those things that you did for computer class or those things you did for social studies. Can be kind of as comprehensive as you want it to be. But we're going to be adding to this. Previous to this, we have had an actual physical folder that it has been added to throughout your years here at the middle school, and then I take it up to the high school, and those are transferred to the high school teachers. So what we're going to do this year is we're going to be creating a digital portfolio that is added to as your years go by. Okay, so please make sure that you have created your digital portfolio folder within your drive, and that you have a folder for possibly 6th grade if you used Google stuff before that, but definitely you should have a folder for 7th grade, and move any documents and things from 7th grade into that 7th grade folder. Create an 8th grade folder. That 8th grade folder should have nothing in it at this point.